Hi, here I am going to demonstrate how to add a new product page into the website. For that, first of all, you have to log into the control panel using the user ID and password. Then you will get a page like this. Here you will see an option for managing the products. If you click this link, it will display two options: add product as well as view products. For adding a new product page, you have to click add product. Then it will go to this page. Here you have to enter all these details like name, heading, descriptions, etc. For example, here I am giving the name as test 1 2 3 4 and I'm putting the heading Gulf IT Innovations. In this description area, you have to type directly here, or else you can copy the content from a notepad like this and you can paste it here. You can adjust its style from here. After that, if you have to add any points in the website, it can be done here. Here I am, for example, I am giving just 0.1. If you want to add more points, you can click here and you can type whatever the points you need to add. After that, if you want to add a title image, you can browse here. Then you can select the images that you need to display there. For example, I am selecting this thing. And its size should be within 170 and 162 pixel. If you click submit, it will be displayed in your website. So if you are submitting, this page will be appear. Okay, now we can check in the website. Here you can refresh your website, then you check. Then in the products there is an option for test 1 2 3 4, which we added right now. So here this content came and its points also came. Okay, if you want to edit, you can go for view and there is an option for edit. You can edit there. Here see, here content came, picture as well as the point that you have entered in the control panel. Likewise, if you want to add more heading here, for example, now I put Gulf IT Innovations and you want to put some other headings, that also you can done using the option add heading. If you click add heading, it will display a page like this. Here you can give the heading name. I'm putting heading 2, and in description area, likewise you can copy paste from a notepad, or simply you can type the things, and you can browse for image and you can put an image there. And if you click submit, this will be updated in the website. You have to refresh the website for seeing the newly added things. So now it's came here like this, heading 2 and an image. And if you want to add one more heading, you can go and click add a heading. Here you can put heading name. Here I'm putting heading 3. For this description, you can either type here or you can copy paste the contents from a notepad, and you can add images there. here uploading images, and if you want to add points, that also you can add here. Testing, I have just put testing. So if you click submit, then it will be added in the website. So for that you have to just refresh your website by pressing Ctrl F5, so it will be displayed in your website. After that, if you want to add any video, you can first of all you can click the link view products. So you will see the product which we added just now. So here there is an option add video. So for that, for adding a video from the YouTube, you can just click here, then you can put the link ID here. For that you have to copy this part from the YouTube. This v, after this v equal to whatever portion is coming there, you have to just copy that thing from there and paste it here. If you put submit, it will be added in your website. For that you have to just refresh, then you can see a YouTube link here. So if you click this video, this will be appear here in the website. So if you are play it, then you can watch the video. Likewise, if you want to remove a video from that, you can just simply delete it from here like this. Then go to your website and refresh your site, then it won't be there. This link will be, this YouTube video link won't be there, it will disappear. If you want to put, you can add the video clicking this add video link, and you can put the link there as I have mentioned just now. You can add like this. You can add a new product page and its contents and its images for that, and also for this YouTube you can add the YouTube links in your website. And for editing the products, if you want to edit the already added products, then also you can click this. You can view here, click view option, then you will be seeing whatever the things we have added in that product page. Heading 1 2 3 means Gulf IT Innovations 1 heading, next heading 2, heading 3. If you want to edit anything, you can just click in this plus button, then it will goes to this page. Here if you want to change anything, if you want to delete something or add something, whatever you want, you can just put here. If you want to change the image, you can do it here. If you want to add more points, and if you want to delete the points which we have already added, you can do it by clicking this links. And after get submitting, it will be edited in your control panel and it will be reflected in the website. So if you are refreshing the website, you will see the changes. This point to get disappeared, as well as all the other things whatever we have changed in the control panel, it will be appeared in the website. So likewise, we can change the contents of the website, or we can add a new products, or we can delete a new products, whatever we like. Thank you.